I also publish different booklets, sometimes more than one together, like it's the case here. I created a bundle with two different booklets with practice tests for Apache Cassandra certifications, and I publish this on LeanPub. Okay, that's an alternative publishing platform to Amazon that I use. And you see here the description of the bundle is here below. Master Apache Cassandra and save, blah blah blah. Okay, and this looks like an ad. What I would like to have right now is to have a variation of this ad to publish it on two different other platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. Definitely, you don't want the same, always the same text. Yes, and each platform, has their own specific. On some platforms like LinkedIn, you have to be more professional. You could be more engaging, let's say, on Facebook. And look, I will switch right away to ChatGPT, and in a new chat, I already executed the following prompt. Write three ad copy variations. Okay, this is what they are called, ad copy variations for Facebook. Okay, for the ad below. Target intermediate software developers looking to pass certifications in order to find programming jobs. Focus on the advantage of passing a certification using an urgent tone. Okay, connect with the audience fear of missing out or desire for success. Keep it under 200 characters. Offer a 20% discount and encourage immediate action. And you see here, I copied and pasted basically the content. I don't need formatting here. I don't need bold characters and titles in headers and so on, okay, because I want an add variation. Okay, the way it works, you can see here, there are a bunch of elements in the prompt that you usually have to include. How long you want the ad to be, because you're on Facebook and that's an ad, you want it to keep it short, under 200 characters. Specify the audience, okay, and specify the tone. Okay, the tone should be urgent. Okay, buy this, I don't know, out of focus on the fear of missing out, okay, or desire for success. And you see, we will offer also a 20% discount. Okay, you'll not find this in the only in pub. So these are all new elements, and it's up to you to include this one. Okay, so I copied and pasted this all together. The text below, yes, has been surrounded in quotes, as you can see here. I executed this one, and here are three Facebook. This was generated by ChatGPT. The three Facebook ad copy variations optimized, okay, for urgency, certifications, and career growth. Still applying, okay, hiring, and so on. You can edit them, yeah, definitely. You can click and edit them in line. Okay, so let's say I am happy with the way the ad copy variations have been generated for Facebook, but I want to generate something for LinkedIn. So I can say this, regenerate the ad copy variations, but for a maximum of 1000 characters, okay, and for LinkedIn. Because I can post them, I don't know, as articles, let's say on LinkedIn. Yeah, they are not necessarily as ads. And you can see the text could be longer, it's more structured, and yeah, once again, I will get three different ad variations. And just like before, you can change here, you can specify a different tone, a different audience, and so on. Generating ad copy variations with ChatGPT. You have to specify the role. Yeah. Act, that's an example of prompt. Act as an expert digital marketing copywriter. Then it's good to specify the goal. Write five ad copy variations for a specific product or service. What's the target audience? Targeting audience demographic or pain points. Yeah. What's the platform? And the specification is for Facebook, Google, or you've seen before for LinkedIn and so on, including headlines. Okay, it depends. Yeah, maximum characters, specify a limit, and primary text. Finally, what's the angle and the tone? Focus on, yeah, what's the value proposition using a specific tone, friendly, urgent, and so on. Effective. Add copy variations to prompt. Specify the direct benefit. Focus on the primary problem this solves. Emotional appeal. Okay, you can have a prompt like this one, include in the prompt something like this. Connect with the audience's fear of missing out of or desire for success. I already did this. As you can see, I inspire myself from these guidelines. Short and punchy, under 50 characters, designed for quick reading. Social proof testimonial. Frame the copy as a glowing review from a customer. And finally, urgency. The offer, okay, should reflect some urgency, a feeling of urgency, eventually. Highlight the 20% discount and encourage immediate action, as you've seen in my ad.